We're on the same team now, you know. Alright. Pull these bad boys back out. Bam! Oh, something happened. Somebody was pissing here.
Harry Cameron, sample of no interest.
Harry
Comes from one of the
Cameron.
policemen present on the wasteland.
Alright, that is the second time that has happened. Oh, I didn't see that because of my... Was he gonna walk into it? Sure is. He doesn't give a shit. Oh wow, my shoes are actually nasty now. That's cool. What do we have here?
Some orchid pollen. The concentration of pollen in the air is quickly decreasing because of the rain, but it gets higher in the direction of the body.
Fascinating. I need to actually look at this dead kid.
Harry comment. The victim is lying on
Eric,
his back.
damn it.
No visible signs of violence.
Boom. Oh shit, son of a bitch. See, that's not what I meant to do. Nice.
An orchid was placed on the victim's chest.
Fascinating.
Superficial wound on the right thigh. Blood analysis suggests it could be post-mortem. Probably a scratch that occurred when the body was being moved. The blood report indicates an advanced and long-lasting state of exhaustion.
What you got in here, boy?
A small origami figure in the right hand.
Very gamey.
Fingers were probably closed after the time of death.
Take
The
it.
victim is Jeremy Bowles, declared missing 5 days ago. See reference file.
Alright, anything else? No.
His face is covered with mud, like the other victims.
Nothing else. Alright, follow the yellow brick road, I guess.
Airy comment. Pollen particles disappear in the tall grass. It's probably the end of the trail.
Is this another one of those things?
Airy comment. Traces of blood on the railroad track. Analysis confirms it comes from the victim.
Fascinating. But
Footprints continue just after the pollen trail. There's a good chance that they're the killers.
I remember you have to go up this, don't you? Oh, what was that? What was that? I heard that.
Airy comment. Traces of blood on the fence behind the railroad line. It comes from the victim. The killer came this way with the body and probably grazed it on his way through the fence.
We're going up. Shit! I didn't even do anything for that. Whoa! Damn. It's already all messed up and shit. I didn't... Okay, there was no option for not messing up. Okay, see, look, this is me doing it perfectly, and he's still fucking up. It's just Norman. He's a bit of a rough start. I'm gonna make it. Jesus Christ, dude. Wow, you are a fucking mess. Well, well, well. What do we have? No, not those. Ah, there you go.
There's a good chance that they're the killers. Harry, comment. Tire tracks on the side of the road behind the railroad line. It may be the killer's car. I think I've seen all there is to see.
Oh yeah? Wouldn't that make you clean up? Whoa there! You're on record there, agent. Anything over here? Nathan. Wow. You are fucked up.
I think I've seen enough. Better get back to the station before I catch pneumonia.
8:30 bands.
There's a railroad
30
track near
minutes.
where the body was left. Same as all the other victims.
Same.
Way too many people here. They're trampling all over the crime scene.
Oh shit. Okay, it's not like you can get even more messy, right? Like you're look at how fucked up you are. You're already fucked up. Oh, meshiness. Oh fuck. You're welcome. Here, we'll clean off those shoes a bit. Nice.
I'm heading back to the office. You staying? No,
Wait,
I've seen
what?
enough. I'm leaving too.
He's covered in mud. Jesus, man. Keep in mind, I didn't do any of that. That was all him. Oh, gotta let him go first, apparently. Can I... Jesus. He has to, like, attack my camera first. Airy Comet. I don't remember him getting this far. This is by default, by the way. I swear to God. Is this out? That is out. It is indeed out. I wish I knew what some of these options meant before I did them. And had to watch a fucking cutscene. Listen to that baby purr. That is a big satellite. Look at how big. That's like a fucking biggest. What is? That's not even a satellite. What is that? That's just like a flat. It's like one of those shitty little fucking. I don't even know what the fuck to call them. Those shitty little cracker things. They're like not quite crackers. You know what I mean? I would say bat.
A bat.
Oh, that's a wolf for certain.
A wolf's head.
It's 2 dancing crabs. Blades that I used to stab children.
Sharp blades.
Death.
Death.
Actually, though.
Death.
Terror. Wow, this is such a weird setting. It's like a church, but which is just the word ego is just put there. That's how you know it's a psychiatrist's office, because it's just ego. This is such a weird
of your
place.
MRI scans. Everything seems to be normal.
You
There
are
was no
a
physical
fucking
damage from the
psychopath.
accident. However, I am worried
Well, this is
about
why
your
Ethan's
psychological
broke.
Condition.
He's got to pay for all
I know
this.
it's not easy, but you've got to start over, Ethan. You're not responsible for what happened.
What the fuck is that?
It's my fault Jason is dead. He'd still be alive if I'd been looking out for him.
It was an accident. Accidents
What is that, a
happen every
letter
day.
opener?
You can't blame yourself forever for your son's death. How is Sean?
Depressing. Distant, unhappy, reproach, disappointed.
I know he's really unhappy. He just can't understand why I seem unable to love him.
Affectionate.
And what about you,
sadness.
Ethan? What do you feel?
I don't love him. Depressed.
I no longer want to live.
Based.
I have no reason to continue.
Fuck my wife and my other
Not even
child.
for your son, Sean.
Who?
I couldn't save Jason. Sean doesn't need a father like me.
Is there something else you wanted to tell me, Ethan?
Been going sicko mode. Blackouts.
No.
What? I was
No.
needed to read them and they were shaking around. Fuck you.
That's the end of this session. We'll continue this conversation next week.
That'll be another $10,000, of course. For the
You're
VR
lucky,
headset.
Ethan. It's very rare to survive such a traumatic accident.
Fuck you.
I don't exactly feel lucky, Doctor.
Alright, well, sure hope telling him about the blackouts wasn't important. Damn. You got a problem with me, huh?
Is something the matter, Sean?
You got a fucking problem, though, bitch?
No, I'm alright.
Fuck you.